Review and key points of The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey is a popular personal finance book that provides a step-by-step guide to achieving financial freedom and building wealth. It offers practical advice and strategies to help individuals take control of their finances and live a debt-free life. This review will outline the key points of the book along with examples to illustrate its principles. Key points. 1. Create a budget. The book emphasizes the importance of creating a detailed budget to track income and expenses. It encourages individuals to allocate their money wisely and prioritize spending based on their financial goals. Example: using the envelope system, where cash is allocated to different categories, e.g., groceries, entertainment, helps control spending and stay within budget. 2. Get out of debt. The Total Money Makeover advocates for getting rid of all debt, including credit cards, car loans, and student loans. It recommends using the debt snowball method, starting with the smallest debt and gradually paying off larger debts. Example: by consistently making extra payments and focusing on one debt at a time, individuals can become debt-free and redirect their money towards savings and investments. 3. Build an emergency fund. The book emphasizes the importance of having an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. It suggests saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate savings account. Example: by setting aside a portion of income each month, individuals can establish an emergency fund to handle unforeseen circumstances like medical bills or job loss. 4. Save and invest. The Total Money Makeover encourages readers to save and invest for their future. It recommends contributing to retirement accounts, such as 401(k)s and IRAs, and diversifying investments. Example: regularly contributing a percentage of income to retirement accounts and investing in low-cost index funds can grow wealth over time. 5. Pay off the mortgage. The book suggests paying off the mortgage early to become completely debt-free. It advises individuals to make extra principal payments or consider downsizing their homes. Example: by making additional mortgage payments or refinancing to a shorter-term loan, individuals can save thousands of dollars in interest and pay off their mortgage sooner. 6. Live on less than you make. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of living below one's means and avoiding unnecessary expenses. It encourages individuals to make wise purchasing decisions and differentiate between needs and wants. Example: instead of buying a brand new car, individuals can opt for a reliable used vehicle, allowing them to save money and avoid unnecessary debt. 7. Give generously. The book promotes the concept of giving back and being generous with one's wealth. It suggests donating to charities and helping those in need. Example: by allocating a portion of income towards charitable giving, individuals can make a positive impact on their communities and practice gratitude. Conclusion. The Total Money Makeover provides practical advice and a clear roadmap for individuals seeking financial freedom. By following its principles of budgeting, debt elimination, saving, and investing, readers can transform their financial lives. Through real-life examples and step-by-step guidance, Dave Ramsey empowers individuals to take control of their money and build a solid foundation for a secure and prosperous future. This book is an excellent resource for anyone looking to improve their financial well-being and achieve long-term financial success.